just had to back the truck out of where I was parked off on the shoulder. I had to back it into where he bladed. And look at he bladed that, but this wind's blowing so hard it's just blowing the snow back in his spot where he bladed. I thought he had the blade down when he was coming down the hill. It's crazy. Why would he be driving with the blade up? It's bullshit. But yeah, this is deep snow. This is cool. Here we are at the crest of the Oakley Hill. There's Aunt Janice, Uncle Bill's place. We've got nobody there living there now. I think they just sent Janice to the nursing home a couple weeks ago. Here's another county truck, 2 of them. We'll just let them go. It won't focus. I'll just let them pass, and then I'll get to drive into town in a freshly bladed road because they already bladed it then.